Welcome again. Just for recap, in the previous video, we have learned about the embedded system, its log schematic and definition, and we have also gone through the demo of the PMS GUI, which is developed over the Python, and it is connected to Arduino board, which fetches electrical data from the power system and displays on the laptop screen. So, what next we are going to learn in this video session? In this video session, we will learn step by step building complete embedded system. So, in the first step, which will be the foundation steps for subsequent steps, we will learn about all the building blocks of embedded system. And the first building block, which is the core block, is the Arduino Uno board. So we are going to learn more about the Arduino Uno board in this session. So if you are a beginner, don't miss any part of the video session, because you will learn something new in the upcoming video session. So watch complete video and let's start learning.
So here we will learn Arduino programming for the LED light control. So this is our first lesson on the Arduino programming for the LED light control. So we will be using here Arduino Uno board. So you can see the picture of Arduino Uno board. So this board we will use for the programming. First we will learn what is Arduino, what is hardware used, its software, and then how to set up to use, and then start the sample program of LED light control. What is Arduino? Arduino is a open source platform. It consists of Arduino boards as a hardware and Arduino IDE as a software. And hardware and software are readily available for the use and can be modified as per the application. Arduino uses a microcontroller developed by Arduino.cc, and it is based on the Atmega 328P microcontroller. Arduino board comes in different type, for example Uno, Omega, Nano. Any of the board can be used for the programming. There is no limitation that a single board only can be used. But here we'll use Arduino Uno board for our projects because of its easy way of programming and economical. Arduino Uno board comes both in DIP and SMD package, but both are having same circuit, so there is no difference as long as circuit is concerned. Only the type of component used is different. Arduino uses a Atmega 328P, which is a low power version of Arduino microcontroller. Board can be powered by USB or by external adapter, or it can be fed directly 5 volt at the 5 volt point. Arduino boards can be easily purchased from online websites like Robo-In, Amazon, Banggood, or any other websites. It is available in so many websites. So you can purchase based on its cost and delivery schedule. In a hardware of the Arduino board, it has got two versions of basically Uno boards. So left side you can see the DIP package and the right side is a SMD package. So board is available in both the packages, both the types, and any board can be used, either DIP or SMD. Then another hardware required for programming is a USB cable. So USB cable comes like this, where one side you will have standard USB connections and other side USB compatible with the Uno board. And external adapter, it is optional. You can use this for feeding the power to the Arduino board. On a Arduino software, you have to use IDE software, which can be downloaded from www.arduino.cc. So here you can see the website detail, from where you can download the Arduino IDE software, and the current version is 1.8.2.12. So you can go to getting started and download the software and install. It is very easy to install software. There is not much issue downloading and installing the software. Once the software is installed successfully, you will see this icon, which is basically Arduino software icon, which shows that software is successfully installed in your system. Once software is installed, you can check the software by launching the IDE. You double click the Arduino icon to launch the software. Once you launch the software, you will see the screen like this. If you see the screen like this, means your Arduino IDE software is successfully installed and working, and now your board is ready for programming and accepting the program. Now let us learn how to interconnect.
Let us learn how to set up Arduino program for making a simple projects. So look, this is a Arduino board. This has got port. This is a USB port. Looks like this from the front. From the top it looks like this, and this port is used to program the Arduino board. All the programs are fed through this board. This port is used to connect external power. So here we can connect a power converter, which should be 7 to 12 volt. So Arduino can be powered either through the USB port or through the power point. Here we will power the Arduino through the USB board. So this is a USB cable which is used to connect the Arduino at one end. This end will connect Arduino. So like this, align this and insert. So you will get some click sound, and this cable is connected with the Arduino. This port we will connect to our laptop, and we will use the Arduino IDE software to program the Arduino board. This is a power adapter which we will use to feed power to the Arduino board. Take this port, connect like this, and now power and USB cable both are connected to Arduino board. This is optional. Power is also available from the USB port, so you can connect this or disconnect this as per the requirement. Here in this project we will keep this disconnected and power the board from the USB cable itself. Now board is connected with the USB cable. Now we'll connect this USB cable with the laptop. USB cable can be connected to any port available in the laptop. You insert USB cable in the laptop and you can see LED glowing on the board. It shows that this board is powered up from the USB port and ready to accept the programming. In next, we will open the IDE and see how to program the board. We have come to the end of this video session, and this video session we have learned about the Arduino, and we have also learned how to interconnect the Arduino and how to make it ready so that it accepts the program. So yeah, in upcoming video we will learn more about the programming part of the Arduino. So keep watching the upcoming videos and also subscribe and like the videos.